Hey fellas, Steve Harvey here. Finding a girlfriend can be tougher than a 3-day-old biscuit, but don't worry, Uncle Steve's got your back. We're breaking down dating, step by step, no sugarcoating. This is real talk about building confidence and finding that special lady. So buckle up, get your notepads ready, and let's dive into the 7 ways to get a girlfriend the no-nonsense way. First things first, fellas, you gotta believe in yourself. This is the foundation of everything. If you don't believe you're dateable, how can you expect anyone else to? It all starts with you. Look in the mirror and see the potential that lies within. Give yourself that pep talk every morning. Walk into a room like you own the place. Your body language speaks volumes before you even say a word. Shoulders back, head held high, and a smile that says you're ready for anything. This kind of presence is magnetic. Confidence is key, like the key to a brand new Cadillac. It's not about the car, it's about the way you carry yourself. That confidence can open doors and create opportunities you never thought possible. Women can spot a confident man from a mile away. It's an attractive quality that draws people in. When you exude confidence, you become more approachable and interesting. When you believe in yourself, it shows. It's in the way you talk, the way you move, and the way you interact with others. People are naturally drawn to those who are self-assured. You stand taller, smile brighter, and your voice oozes with that "I got this" energy. This kind of energy is contagious and can positively affect those around you. Confidence tells a woman you're comfortable in your own skin. It shows that you're secure with who you are, and that's incredibly attractive. It makes her feel at ease and more likely to open up to you. So, how do you build this confidence? Start by taking care of yourself. Physical fitness and grooming are essential. When you look good, you feel good, and that boosts your confidence. Hit the gym, dress sharp, and pay attention to your appearance. These small changes can make a big difference in how you perceive yourself and how others perceive you. And work on your goals. Achieving something you're passionate about can give you a sense of accomplishment and boost your self-esteem. Set small, achievable goals and celebrate your progress. Remember, confidence isn't about being arrogant. It's about knowing your value and letting it shine through. It's about being the best version of yourself and showing the world what you're made of. So go out there and believe you're dateable, because you are. Confidence is great, but you gotta back it up with smooth conversation. Learn to talk, fellas, and I mean real conversation. Listen to what she's saying, ask questions, be engaged, and put that phone away. Women appreciate a man who can hold a conversation, make them laugh, and make them feel heard. It's not rocket science, but it takes practice. So get out there and socialize. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become. Good communication is the foundation of any strong relationship. Ain't nothing more attractive than a man with passion. Passion is the fire that fuels your soul, the spark that ignites your spirit. It's what makes you unique and interesting. I'm talking about passion for life, for your hobbies, for the things that make your soul sing. Whether it's playing an instrument, painting, or any other activity that brings you joy, it's all about finding what makes you come alive. When you're passionate about something, it lights you up from the inside out. This inner glow is contagious and draws people towards you. It's a magnetic force that can't be ignored. It gives you something to talk about, something to connect with others over. Shared interests create bonds and open up conversations that might not happen otherwise. It's a bridge to new friendships and relationships. It's easier to meet women when you're doing something you love. When you're in your element, you're more confident, more relaxed, and more yourself. This authenticity is incredibly attractive. So think about it. What are you passionate about? Take a moment to reflect on the activities that bring you the most joy and fulfillment. What makes you lose track of time? Join a class or a club. Surround yourself with people who share your interests. This not only enhances your skills, but also expands your social circle. Get out there and do the things you love. Whether it's hiking, playing sports, or any other social hobby, immerse yourself in activities that make you happy. You'll meet like-minded people and might just bump into the woman of your dreams. When you're passionate and engaged, you're more likely to attract someone who shares your enthusiasm and zest for life. Fellas, I know you love your comfy sweatpants, but put in a little effort with your appearance. Dressing well is a sign of respect for yourself and others. It shows you care about making a good impression. A well-dressed man turns heads. Find clothes that fit well and flatter your body type. Pay attention to details like shoes and accessories. Grooming matters. Get a haircut, trim your beard, and keep your nails clean. A little grooming goes a long way. You never get a second chance to make a first impression, so make it count. Be genuine and honest. Authenticity is king. In this world of social media and filters, it's easy to try to be someone you're not. But authenticity is king. Women can spot a fake from a mile away. So be yourself, flaws and all. Don't try to be someone you think she wants you to be. Be genuine, be honest, and let your true personality shine through. When you're true to yourself, it takes the pressure off. You can relax and let the conversation flow naturally. There's nothing more attractive than a man who's comfortable in his own skin. Show respect and kindness. Treat her like a queen. Treat women with respect. Respect her opinions, even if you don't agree. Listen to her when she speaks, and really listen. Be considerate of her feelings and treat her with kindness. Respect is the foundation of any healthy relationship. A little bit of kindness goes a long way. Be a gentleman and watch how far respect will take you. Be patient and persistent. Don't give up on love. Love is a journey, not a destination. It requires time, effort, and a lot of patience. Finding the right woman takes time. It's a process that involves meeting different people and understanding what you truly want in a partner. It's not like ordering takeout. You gotta be patient. There will be moments of frustration and times when you feel like giving up. You're gonna go on dates that don't lead anywhere. These experiences are part of the journey and help you grow. You're gonna meet women who aren't right for you. Each encounter teaches you something valuable about yourself and what you're looking for. But don't let that discourage you. Every date, whether good or bad, brings you one step closer to finding the right person. Don't give up on love. Keep your spirits high and stay optimistic. The journey may be long, but it's worth it. The right woman is out there, but you've got to be willing to put in the work. Building a meaningful relationship takes effort and dedication. Keep your head up, keep your heart open, and keep believing that love is out there waiting for you. Surround yourself with positive influences and stay true to yourself. Good things come to those who wait, but even better things come to those who work for them. Your perseverance and patience will eventually lead you to the love you deserve. Outro, go get 'em, Tiger! So there you have it, fellas, the 7 no-nonsense ways to get a girlfriend. Remember, it's all about confidence, communication, and treating women with respect. Just be yourself, be confident, and be kind. And most importantly, don't give up on love. Now go out there and make Uncle Steve proud.